Hi there, this is Kara with Bytestand, and this video is going to go over how to install and set up the FreshCredit app for stores using 2.0 themes. After installing the FreshCredit app from the Shopify App Store, you will be met with our welcome screen. Go ahead and press Let's Get Started. On the next page, you will enter in the total number of customer accounts the store has in Shopify and press Buy. This will send you to a Shopify app subscription page where Shopify will show you a free trial period and then the store's monthly responsibility after the free trial expires. Go ahead and press approve and you are sent to the home page of the app. Shopify stores that are using a 2.0 Shopify theme will be met with this pop-up. Let's quickly enable the use of the app with the store's 2.0 theme. Take a second to look this over and then click on this link. It will send you to your current theme with the FreshCredit app already triggered on. Just go ahead and press save. Now you have enabled the app in your store. So let's exit out of this tab and return to your original tab with the app still open with the pop-up. You can close out of the pop-up as you no longer need it, and now you can use the app. Okay, on to the fun. Let's go over the app features. You can access your app homepage, customer data, widget customizations, notification setup, and help docs in the menu to the right. Notice on the home page you have a dashboard at the top and an overview of credit activity below that, so you can filter this information by order number, dates, and customer name. Our next stop is the customer page of the app. The app pulls your customer accounts straight from Shopify. If the store needs to make name, tag, or email edits to customer accounts, the store will make those changes inside of Shopify, and then the app will pull those changes in shortly after. Stores can view up to 100 customers per page at a time, or search for customers using the search bar at the top. Stores can also filter or organize this customer list by name, email, credit balance, expiration date, or tags. So let's talk about giving credit. To give one customer store credit or to remove a customer's store credit, the store can click on the customer's names below or search for the customer in the app. A pop-up will appear with the customer's current credit amount and credit history. Press the plus sign and use the screen to add or subtract credit from a customer's profile. You can also leave a note for the store and set an expiration date if applicable. Press Update Credit Balance and you've now made an edit to a customer's current credit amount. You can also do this in bulk by selecting multiple customers on a page and pressing Update Credit Balance. Make your edit and then press Update Credit Balance. And now all selected customers have the additional credit. Moving right along, on this page there are also buttons for Export All and Import. The Export All feature will send the main email address of the store a CSV file. The file will include all customer information saved in the app, including customer name, email addresses, current balance, credit history, and the list goes on. While the import feature can be used by merchants to bulk upload store credit to customer accounts inside of FreshCredit. This uses a imported CSV file. You can learn more about both of these features in our import-export video by locating the video in our YouTube channel, clicking the link in the description of this video, or searching on our website. And next up is the Customize page. In here, you can edit multiple aspects of the store credit widget, which will determine how the customers on the front end of your website experience this widget. Go ahead and watch as I make some changes to my widget and then save those changes. Keep in mind when making widget edits, it is best to log out of your test customer account on your website and back into the account to view the saved changes on the front end of the website. And the last page to explore is the Notifications page. Stores can use this feature to trigger automatic email and SMS notifications to be sent to the store's customers. Notifications include when credit is added to a customer's account and when credit is about to expire from a customer's account. You enable these communications at the bottom of this page, where you can also see how to edit the email and SMS communications. To learn more about utilizing this feature, please check out our notification video. This is located on our YouTube channel. A link is in the description of this video, or you can locate the video on our website. And with that overview, let's give a customer some store credit in the app. Something to note is in this example, I have turned email and SMS communications on for the customers when they do receive credit. So this is how the email to the customer looks after I made some edits to the template in the app. And this is how the SMS message looks as well. Pretty cool. Now, as a customer, this notification may trigger me to visit the website. I will have to log into my customer account with the same email address the credit was given to, and once I am logged in, I can see the store credit widget. When I click on this widget, I can see some more details. So I'm going to go ahead and place an item in my cart and then click on the widget again before I get to the checkout screen. I'm going to go ahead and use all of my credit and proceed to checkout. And boom, the credit was applied. Fabulous. Now that you know how to set up and use the features in our app, please reach out if you need any assistance. You can contact us directly in the chat widget in the app or on our website or by phone, email, or video meetings. Happy shopping!